Mae canolfannau bwyd cynaliadwy lleol yn cynnig bwyd sy'n dda i bobl, yn dda i'r amgylchedd, a hefyd yn dda i gynhyrchwyr lleol, am ei bod nhw'n hybu cadwyni bwyd byr. Anghenion a diddordebau pobl leol a hefyd yr hyn y mae tir lleol yn gallu cynhyrchu sydd yn dylanwadu ar natur canolfannau bwyd. Felly mae pob un yn unigryw. Ond fod canolfannau bwyd yn amrywiol, mae yna rhywbeth sy'n gyffredin iddyn nhw i gyd, sef ei bod nhw'n dwyn ynghyd amrywiaeth o fwydydd a diodydd gan nifer o gynhyrchwyr lleol. Gall rhain gael ei archebu ar-lein a'i dosbarthu wedyn i siopwyr a phrynwyr lleol. Mae canolfannau bwyd yn addasu'n gyflym i anghenion eu cymunedau lleol. Enghraifft, bydd rhai yn rhoi pwyslais ar sicrhau bod pobl ar incwm isel yn gallu cael bwyd lleol iach, tra bydd rhai eraill yn gweithredu fel co-ops marchnata ar gyfer cynhyrchwyr lleol. Datblygodd canolfannau bwyd i fod yn boblogaidd iawn yn ystod y pandemig, ac maen nhw nawr yn addasu mwyn darganfod ffyrdd i sicrhau y gall pawb barhau i fforddio prynu bwyd iach sy'n cynnal yr economi leol ac yn llesol i'r amgylchedd. Fel rhan o'r prosiect Mannau Gwyrdd Gwydn, mae gweithwyr y tir wedi gweithio mewn partneriaeth gyda'r Open Food Network, Social Farms and Gardens a Chymdeithas Ymddiriedolaethau Datblygu Cymru, mwyn cefnogi 5 o ganolfannau bwyd blaengar yng Nghymru.
I'm Tina Castry. I'm the Food Hub Manager of the Peninsula Producers Food Hub.
My name is Gwenllian and I'm the Food Hub Coordinator at yr orsaf ym Mhenygrais.
A Lews ydw i, a dwi yn cydlynu Cadwyn Ogwen, sef cadwyn o gynhyrchwyr bach lleol yn y fan drydan o gwmpas Dyffryn Ogwen.
And then we've got Nick. Really passionate about getting local food out to local people within this area. But I really think that just getting the knowledge out there that it's normal food for normal people, but from the local area. And we just need to get the knowledge out there that that is not a strange thing. You can buy bread from the hub, you can buy it from a local person in the local area. We just need to make people aware of that.
Dwi'n mwynhau gweithio fy amrywiaeth eang o gynhyrchwyr a gweld y prosiectau yma'n digwydd yn lleol. Mae'n gyffrous iawn i weithio fewn systemau bwyd cynaliadwy a mae'n galonogol i feddwl am ddyfodol positif ar gyfer y systemau bwyd lleol yma.
Dwi yn caru'r cynnyrch. Dwi wedi stopio mynd i archfarchnadwy. Dwi'n prynu unrhyw rybys dim mwy. Dwi jyst yn bita'n iach, bita bwyd lleol, a dwi'n caru gallu nabod y bobl sy'n tyfu'r bwyd dwi'n bita.
My name is Alma and
I'm Sam.
we run Cymunedau, CIC.
As we were planning how are we going to access the community here, the food hub had been around for about a year. I got talking to Dan Jones and he was really supportive. A couple of meetings with him and he showed us how it worked and it was really simple. Within a week we were selling.
Yeah, sort of trying to create like a whole system based on no-dig, based on regenerative agriculture. We really like variety and diversity, and this allows us to grow a little bit of everything.
On the Thursday we know exactly what we're harvesting, so we don't over-harvest. We don't pull things out of the ground that we don't need. Everything's cut fresh on a Friday and given to people on a Saturday.
Yeah, my name's Dan Jones. I'm a manager at Tregennis Farm City Children, one of the producers, but also the person who set the food hub up back in July 2020. At the farm at Lower Tregennis, we said goodbye to the children in March 2020. Then it became evident that the children weren't coming back, and obviously the food that we planted was to feed the children in the farm. Another guy I work with called Alan, he heard about this Open Food Network, and we looked into it. We set it up with a couple of producers, and it was just in the car park out there, just with a white van, and maybe we had 2 producers the first week and about 4 orders, and then 3 producers, 6 orders, and it just really grew sort of organically.
My name's Dan and I'm a self-employed small business owner. The fact that we're feeling like we're reaching different people, I think that's people in different income brackets using the shops in different ways, and that's really good and really positive to see these ideas reaching different parts of the community, because I think that's really, really important. It's not just seen as a preserve of one type of part of the community or one section of society.
Well, my name is Mia. Totally want to support local farmers and local producers. So all of those kinds of things, local cheese producers, local egg producers, and any produce that's not coming from the garden right now, I would definitely choose to buy local first.
My name's Mick Hartley. We just rely on it. During the lockdown, it was a lifesaver. but also the availability of fresh food, you know, all the fabulous fruit and vegetables you can get.
Oh, hello. I'm Janet Higgs. Well, it's fresh, and there's no food miles, and it's everything that we've had from here. Absolutely everything has been perfect. The flavour, the taste, everything. And, you know, it's all local producers trying to make their way, especially through the terrible COVID situation, and you just want to support your community.
Oh, hello, I'm Chris. I'm a new customer here. I've chosen local suppliers. I think the whole ethos of the Open Food Hub is about local suppliers, and this is a change for me, and actually I'm choosing a more local supplier now than I was before.
Ella bod rai pobl dal eisiau mynd i'r archfarchnadoedd, ond sy'n nhw dal gallu ella jyst rhoi 10 pence yr wythnos tuag at cynnyrchwyr bach leol.
I would love to extend this to more of a community hub as well. A lot of production of food and meat tends to be quite insular. It's almost that connection that people can have a chat here. So I think we could expand on that side of things as well, that sort of social connection.
Felly, parhau ddatblygu'r hwb fwyd ar y cyd efo'n prosiectau bwyd eraill. Mae gennym gerddi cymunedol, rhandiroedd, mae gennym pantri cymunedol. Ein gobaith yw fod yr hwb bwyd gallu tyfu'n gynaladwy ar y cyd efo'r prosiectau yma.
Mae'r canolfannau bwyd newydd hyn yng Nghymru wedi gallu elwa o'r holl brofiadau ar draws rhwydwaith yr Open Food Network o ddefnyddio gwahanol fodelau ar gyfer mentrau canolfannau bwyd. Mae rhain yn cynnwys banciau bwyd, co-ops bwyd, grwpiau prynu, marchnadoedd ffermwyr rhithiol a siopau pentref. Mae'r Open Food Network yn cefnogi pob cymuned mwyn darganfod model sy'n gweithio iddyn nhw. Os hoffech chi ddarganfod mwy am y canolfannau bwyd anhygoel hyn, neu os oes gennych chi ddiddordeb mewn sefydlu canolfan fwyd yn eich cymuned chi, ewch i about.openfoodnetwork.org.uk.